Hi guys, today part 2 of evaluation of a extra long selfie stick, as I've got my ball head, of course also from AliExpress. So let's attach that, and a phone holder. Got a thread on the end, have a bottom. So for this end we're all set. But I also thought about converting this into a portable tripod. And where do I have this? And for that, I have these compact feet. Ulanzi, also AliExpress. Which you can open up like this. Unfortunately, what I thought is a regular photographic imperial thread turned out to be probably metric. So as you can see, this only goes in part of a way and then blocks itself. Well, it will work, although a bit unstable, so I'll need to rethread that. It's soft aluminum, so I think it should be no problem, even using another imperial screw. And that way we'll have these compact feet, which will allow us to put this on the ground and use it as a portable tripod. Ideal for our trip to the Netherlands. So that's it for today. Take care. Bye.